Hi, my name is Colin Suzevu. I attended Bincom beginners Python class, and I would say it has been a good journey for me and a great insight on learning new scope of things. Prior to now, I've only knew about making web applications with Python, but with the Bincom beginners Python class, I got a new insight on other things I can do with Python and other great stuff like the AI and data science. And this has also molded me to become a better or a road to becoming a good or a better data scientist. And for people out there who want to learn about this stuff, I'll tell you that Bincom is a great place to start your learning curve. And what was the last question again?